If you're in my place, building a balcony garden, would you rather buy all the plants that you want or grow them from their seeds? Either way, a garden will be thriving in this balcony. But the question is, how do you want to start it? Now, bakit ko tinatanong? Because just like in life, there's so many ways, so many choices to achieve your goal. Take for example tong pipino. Sabi nila, place the seed inside a wet tissue and store it in a ziplock for 8 days. And then the seed will germinate faster bago mo itanim sa lupa. Yung isang way naman is slice up a pipino, then rekta tanim. Then itong sibuyas, pwede raw rektang tanim na sa lupa or paugatin mo muna sa tubig bago mo ilipat sa lupa. Last example, itong variegated African talisay. So try natin i-propagate ang ating variegated talisay na sabi ng mga eksperto ay mahirap gawin lalo na kung wala kang experience. Well, ako yun. Isa ako dun sa mga walang experience. Pero dahil try that tayo, susubukan natin. Sabi ng mga eksperto, notorious na mababa ang success rate ng pagpaparami lalo na sa walang alam katulad ko. Pero 2 ways para maparami sila. One is using garlic. The other one is using rooting solution. Then, after a month daw, makikita kung sumakses ka o hindi. Sa mga experiment natin na to, both ways ay kaya nating piliing gawin para makita which one will yield to a better result. Paano sa life? You know better na hindi laging pwedeng piliin ang parehong choices para sa mga gusto mong mangyari. There's always a trade-off. May kapalit, may paninindigan, at may mabibitawan. Life is tricky, unfair, but fulfilling and wonderful at the same time. The choices that you make will definitely give you the life you want. Kaya try gardening at one point in your life. Kahit na less experience ka na katulad ko. Kasi dito, madaming choices, pero lahat pwede mong piliin. Madaming realization sa matututunan, madaming tanong na masusuklian ng sobrang daming iba't ibang sagot at hacks. That's why I'm asking you guys,